A lot of you usually ask me that you want to learn how to print DTF, and most of the time I try my possible best to explain to you that you don't really need any skill to print DTF. Only what you need is money, yes, to purchase this multi-million naira machine. Yes, if you have money and you are able to purchase this machine, you are good to go. The only thing you need is either maybe you employ an operator that will be helping you to operate the machine, or you just go for like 2 or 1 week training on how to operate the machine, and you are good to go. So you don't need any training to print DTF. Yes, even if you get the training, if you don't have the machine, how do you want to operate it? So this is the machine that produces DTF print, yes, and it does magic. Yes, it's actually a big machine. Yes, it's a big one. So this machine has three panels or 3 parts. Yes. So this is the main machine that does the printing, where the inks are. It releases the ink. It is more of sublimation too. Like the way it works is like sublimation too. If you've seen sublimation machine before, it's also go like that and releases ink up and down on it. But just that sublimation, it has its own paper, while DTF also have its own paper. Okay, so there are different inks, they use different ink for them, and also they use different material. But when you look at it, they releases ink the same way. Yeah, just that this one has 3 panels. Yes, 3 panels. Okay, so the first panel that is in front, this one is the heater. Okay, so after they finish printing, so after this print, they will cut it. They will not allow it to finish printing, because for this work now, I printed over 100 DTF. So it was actually it was much. It was much. So as they are printing it, because it's very wet, as the machine is printing it like this, the ink is still very, very wet. So they are going to just take scissors and cut the part that is out. Then they are going to put powder on it. Yes, they're going to put powder and they are going to eat it. You can see this one is dried already. So immediately they finish eating it, it's dried already. You can see it's dried already. Yes, so you can see he has cut it. Yes, so it's going to take it to the second panel, which is a powdered panel. So this is where they put the powder. So that's why I said that it has 3 chambers, or it has 3 panels. So the machine, the powdered panel, then the heat panel. Okay, so you see the way that is sprinkle powder on it. This powder must be on it. If the powder is not on it, it's not going to stick, it's not going to glue. Yes, it's not going to glue on the clothes. In fact, it's a major, and it will also make it dry. So they will just put it under the heat. This thing is very hot, like extremely hot. So they are going to put it under it. Then when it's dried, the guy actually dried it twice. Yes, and it's dried, you just leave it. When you touch it, it's dried already and it's ready to be used. You can see. So this powder panel, after using the powder, you pour the powdered back inside the drum. I don't even know how to explain to you. Yes, it will pour it back, then it will roll it up to use again. That powder can be used. You can see the way the inside is. So this roller will roll it back up to this point for them to use again. So they use the powder over and over again until the powder finish. Okay, until the powder finishes. Yes, so they continue to use the powder. So this is how they print DTF. So if you are saying that you want to learn how to print DTF, then you need money. But how to use DTF properly, then that is one thing that you can say that you want to know how to use, because anybody can use it with of which I have done a lot of videos here on how you can use it. Yes, So in case you are interested in getting different DTF prints, it can come in any picture and any size of choice. You can contact me to order for yours. Bye.